The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to navigate through the various tabs or options that you have at your disposal at TotaLand.com. From the desktop, you can see clearly that it is arranged to help you get the information that you seek with a minimal amount of effort. Realm objects, whether they be tracks, contracts, parties, instruments, units, or wells, are associated with color coding to further assist you to move throughout the system intuitively. All of these realm objects can be accessed from this page, and you also notice that you have a recently viewed listing so that you can move straight into anything that you've been working on with ease. If we look at the top, we have a navigation history so that you can jump back and forth from items that you've been working on. We have quick help and resources. Just above, you'll see our contact information as well as support options for you. Announcements here are current or relevant information, upgrades to the system, or anything that we feel is necessary to include. And the thing is on the right hand, you'll see that there are queued items, things that had been requested regardless of what project, packet plat, report favorites, etc. I'll show a little bit more about this in a minute. We have the projects tab, which will give you an overview of everything that you have or have been assigned to or have access to. From this page, you'll notice a very similar and consistent setup. You can search for things individually as well as look at your recently viewed items. Again, navigation, quick help, and resources. Go to billing. Queues, mapping queues and management queues will be listed here so that you can look for things that may be requested or that you need to request. And reports. Notice that while we're in reports, you have access to your realm reports. Okay, and let's say we want a track report. Here's a feature. If we go into anything in search, you'll be prompted for information that is missing. In this case, you must choose a project. So we will go in and choose a project and search. This is a track report with some basic information about our tracks. Each screen that offers reports will also give you the availability to download as a PDF or an Excel document, and also have this saved as favorites if you choose. Go back to our desktop and you'll see that these track reports have been requested. Once you request one of them, it's not a static report, it's a dynamic report, so as changes are made within that report, they will be reflected accordingly. We hover over projects with the drop down. You'll notice as you highlight one of your projects, it will give you access to go straight into any of the realms. The blue tab will be the actual project overview. The screen may be less frequently used, but gives you some basic overview information of a project. As you actually get into the specifics of anything that you're working on, one last navigation tool I'll highlight is the breadcrumb trail. You'll notice that your history here can be revisited with just a click. From this page, you'll notice that you can actually access all of the realms. And one last thing, you'll see on the side we have file images, any images associated with this project, instruments, notes, etc.